about here. Stop about here, good place.
I think so, yeah.
Got the, what do you call that? The field dike?
Yeah.
Is that what they're called?
That's a dike, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're just chatting amongst ourselves. Hello everyone.
Good afternoon. We are short-eared owl hunters again. Got a bug for it, haven't we?
Well, while they're here, yeah, we might as well make the most of it, mightn't we?
We have indeed.
We've come to a local spot, not too far away. We're at Shingle Street, aren't we?
Can we say anything?
Yeah, we're at Shingle Street, everyone knows where it is. Just waiting. The light is good. We've got about an hour of daylight left.
We're going to have to stop.
Yeah, we are. And about an hour of daylight left, fingers crossed.
I'm in position. Show you where I am actually. This is where I am. On the edge of the field. Note to self, New Year's resolution, get a new gimbal head. It sounds awful. So I'm in position with my rubbish gimbal head that doesn't smoothly rotate round. It doesn't actually fit all of my plates, so a bit hard to mount my camera to it, but I'm resting my phone on it for a vlog, so that'll do. Rich is, I don't know where he is. He's in position in the front of the field, and I'm in position at the back of the field, again near the field dike where there's some stumps and some water. Time is 2:23. So they're a bit on the late side actually today. Clear sky though, so they can be out for a while. It's got a bit colder today, so I've got my hat on ready. When that sun starts to drop, you definitely feel it. And I'll keep you posted when there's some action. Bye for now. Lost them at the moment. They've gone right of us, up that field somewhere. You happy with this position, or do you want to go round to that bit that sticks out over there? Well, I can't honestly tell you where the best place is. You just never think of the best places where you're standing, do you?
No, you don't.
At least they're up. There's two of them.
Yeah.
And at least they're up.
The light was nice as well. It was just
Oh, it's there. It's one there.
where
Flying.
yeah, got it right
Flying
over the
there.
far side of the field.
Yeah, near the pony.
They do like edges of fields, don't they?
Yeah, but the river dikes. I think obviously you get the bank voles or water voles or something in the actual dikes of the field.
They do like this field though.
Yeah, currently they rotate, because we've had them all the way right the other end.
What about that?
Yeah, they rotate. Basically, they go where the food is. If they hunt a field and there's lots of captures.
So we just saw two up at the same time, and they done this little mid-air
Oh, did you get
thing, didn't they? I got probably not as good as yours, but I did get some pictures.
Well, I don't know. I'm not saying I got it.
I did get a couple of nice ones as they flew. Oh, it's coming back again. As they flew sort of perpendicular to where we are.
No, I'd say they were never close enough.
No, then still borderline.
I've got them, but it's not.
I'd say they're flying, or they were flying, 40 metres away, which is really on the outer edge of my capabilities with this setup. 500mm. I am shooting with the D850 though, which means I can crop to a degree because I've got 45 megapixels to play with.
I'd say
it's still it was still borderline too far.
I'd say they weren't that close enough.
No.
Together, I mean, I had them,
right.
but just seeing both their tails.
We may be able to put some images up though, mightn't we?
Oh, we've got a couple of images, yeah.
Yeah, just
They're
a
up
shame
again.
that I want that perched shot, Gemma.
You're up again, up again, up again, up again.
Just need that perched shot. It's so close to us. We're going to be back coming tomorrow.
So close. Come tomorrow.
I'm coming tomorrow.
Oh.
Tomorrow afternoon.
It's like that, is it?
Yes, it's supposed to be similar.
You're
light.
coming. We're coming. You're coming
tomorrow. It's going to be similar
tomorrow.
light. And I vote tomorrow we stand down there.
Okay.
Simply because we know we can get down there.
I do have a perch. So,
Today? What?
It's just so far away.
Oh. Where the hell was that?
Just over there.
What? The far side of the field?
Get ready, just on a poo. You know what that means? He's gonna fly. We've got one up. Two. There's two up. There's two up just over the field over there. Can you get a glimpse of them or not?
Yep. They were right up where
Alright, it's going over right over here.
that's one. That's coming up. It's coming up. Shooting at 5.6 auto ISO 1600 of a second. Wow, we saw two up together, short-eared owls, flew around the field, perched on some fence posts. Again,
I got one, possibly filmed one perched and then flew off.
Yeah, I got a picture. It was a long way away, but we'll see, that may appear in the video. But the light is nearly gone now. The light's nearly faded. So we're
part two.
Probably calling it today, but we'll be back tomorrow
Part two.
for part two. Stay tuned. Focus on my face, Focus on my face.
Anyone interested? Sometimes it works. This is my mouse impression or bulb.